Hi, my name is Ramya Pamo and I have my children studying here in IRIS Fluids. Prateek is in 8th standard and Gaurav Pradhan is in 1st standard. Basically, we have shifted here very recently and this is the first year that they are studying in IRIS. I as a parent would definitely recommend the other fellow parents to make your children join here. The basic thing for me is the overall confidence of the child that has grown in the school. My child, I always believed he had that inner ability to speak in front of a public, but then the right opportunities weren't given in the previous school. And as the saying goes, when you see a plant is not blooming as it has to be, you do not blame the plant for that, but instead you give them the right situations or the environment to change. And that is what exactly happened with my elder son as well. I know he as a person is very confident inner, but the opportunities never kicked him. But here at IRIS Fluids, I always found the teachers to be very prompt in giving him the right opportunities. They always pushed him in the right direction. Not just with the academics, he has bloomed as a right person also. He now gets the opportunity to talk, to also explore different abilities in himself. He's able to give speeches. He's able to, be that confident person that I always wanted my child to be. I would also like to share one happy moment that I received from my child is that I got a call from the school stating that my child was selected for the IIMUN session. So here he just not nailed it, but he made me feel proud that he can take up any activity or any role that is given to him and he'll be the best at that. And for that sake, I do not only mark my child to be the responsible person, but I will give the credits to the teacher also who thought that he is the right person who can take this up and who can represent IRIS there and make all of us proud. I would definitely be a proud parent and it's a very great moment for me to share it across in my community also that see my child is growing and I want all of your children also to be there in the same way. All kudos to IRIS. I am very grateful and thankful to the teachers here. Coming to academics, yes, there is a lot of improvement, not just with the subjects, but also in the overall development of the child. And I'm very happy that my child is in the right place and in the right direction. Thank you so much.